last time we were here it was spring, and it was cool too, and I wanted to see how the bridge was coming along. So now I'm going back in the fall here. It's a little bit colder. It's been cloudy the past few days, so I want to take advantage of today. It's not so cloudy, and see if I can see how the progress is coming on the bridge. Okay, so today I took the extra 15-minute drive. Normally this drive would be about 10 minutes. So it took me about 25 minutes to get to this point. They actually have the road fenced off to get to the bridge. I crossed the older bridge on the other side of Guelmi, went through Guelmi, and you can see they show an arrow there. I don't know why, because that's the road going that way. But you can see how important this bridge is to all these towns and cities where you need to go. Unfortunately, if I want to go back to Rocca Spinaverti, I have to go back through Guelmi up the road. And if you look over here, I'm not going to cross this fence today, but I'm a lot closer and I can see where the Sinello River is. And you see it's co-funded by the European Union. So it's really good to see a lot of people are working together and understand the importance of this bridge. And going through this road, it's difficult in a regular car. So can you imagine bringing these construction trucks in here and all the equipment needed? So it is a major job. So I'm hoping I can get the drone up. It's not that far, and get some nice views of the beautiful fall trees. for watching. I hope you enjoyed that update. I surely enjoyed looking at that. I really enjoyed this fall weather and the beautiful trees and the different colors and everything. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Let a friend know. Leave your comments down below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.